how to create a new job on ScanPay. First, you'll click on Create New Job. Then you'll add a customer and service address from your recent customers, or you can create a new customer. You'll put in job title, job description. Then you choose a lead source. You can choose a date and time for this job, for example, the 24th of October. You can assign this job to another team member if you like, or to assign to yourself. You can add the item here, the amount, and add. You're able to attach photos, create a job. You will see that you have the address, the customer's name, the directions, phone number, and messaging capabilities. You're able to edit a job or delete the job. If you go back to the home screen, you'll see upcoming jobs. We see that the scheduled job is for tomorrow at 12:01 p.m. through 1:01 p.m. You are able to click on the upcoming jobs, which gives you options to
Update job status.
add invoice, add a note. Thank you for watching how to create and assign a new job.